EJ This and That, and in this video I'll be doing this is smelling like lemon. I think I did something wrong. Do I cover it? Well, it is now. Something's not right. Okay, this is huge. Is it supposed to look like these? Still think I did something wrong. She very high. Tastes good though. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and in the comments below, let me know what you'd like me to do next. See you then.